God, I love the. I'll never ever give up playing music. I swear to God, it's not a hobby. The Hamburg, hello, yeah. So I'm gonna sing it. This song, last one. Well, I'll tell you the truth. As I only do, my friend. I'll be living my youth as I live to my end, my friend. I've been shattered and shoved, 'cause I'm tired. And I've shattered and shoved, but it's only a few that have stayed or left. And that's nothing a hammer, a nail, or my mind couldn't cure. But I've left people hang on a stick or a word if their grip grew tight. Oh, the bottles, the battles, the beds that I've shared are all mine. But the more you hold on to me, the less you can have of me. The more you hold on to me, the less I am yours to keep. Well, I'll tell you the truth, if that's what you want, my friend. Sometimes being a friend is not saying a word, my friend. I've been shattered and shoved, and I've shattered and shoved, but my mind is clear. And I've chosen my women, my men, and I've chosen my fears. But I've loved with the marrow that fills up my bones, and I always will. If you're with me or not, all depends if you hold me too near.